Gus is not supposed to be here right now. He's hiding from his wife. Welcome back to another vlog. Actually, probably our second vlog we've ever made. This is my boy, Eric Chaves. This is the owner of Chaves Auto Detailing.
Let's go!
Yeah, this is my brother. Unfortunately, I gotta work for him. This is Justin Cabral. He doesn't know what day it is. He doesn't know it's the weekend. Tina, it's the weekend. And then we got... Every morning, one of my friends, not saying who, brings me a coffee.
Good morning.
Right here. Good morning. It's Saturday again, Tina. Don't worry, it's Saturday. When I say every morning, I mean every morning on the weekend.
That's it.
We don't work weekends.
No.
As you can see, the truck that me and Anthony are currently working on, there's tons of hair in there. Like, there is so much hair, it looks like Bigfoot sat in the back seat. I'm gonna go take you guys to the back, and the back of the car, that's where all the hair really is. There's some in the front, but the back is absolutely a disaster. We're dealing with. So they're all that hair. That's why it took me super long to vacuum and blow that hair off that mat.
It 37 seconds later. One eternity later.
Cleaned out that mat. That probably took me about 15 minutes. And while I'm doing the interior, Anthony right here, 1 second, is waxing the outside because we finished washing it. So we still got quite a bit of work to do in here, but these jobs are always the most fun because you get the best results.
This is the one and only Anthony Arruda. We didn't get a chance to introduce him in the beginning of the vlog because he's too busy working. Look at this guy. Look at him extract those stains. That is amazing. Look at all the dirt coming out. Oddly satisfying. Let's just watch this up for like a few more times. Let's go, Anthony. Whoa, really cleaning that Ram logo. This is crazy. And now he just like automatically teleports into the truck. This guy has teleportation. This is why we get jobs done here at Chaves Auto Detailing. He is carefully, gently caressing those seats, getting all those stains that he can possibly see, and he's going to go over it and over it and over it again. He teleports again. This is great. Great work, Anthony. Keep it up. All that air no need to raise. Beautiful work there, buddy.
All right, enough messing around. Let's show the end results of the truck we just detailed. So we did the interior right there, got steam cleaned, tornadored, which means all the plastics got wiped down. We also shined it, did the door jambs, the windows, basically the works. And it got booked in for an interior and exterior detail. So you know we applied a layer of wax after we washed this vehicle, aka the truck. I don't know why I'm trying to sound so professional right now.
Monkey.
I am currently standing on my kitchen chair because I don't own a tripod for my phone, and this is like the best angle. Don't worry guys, I'm actually not this tall, but myself and the Chaves Auto Detailing team would like to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I just wanted to quickly explain what we're doing in the new year. So our goal is to make one vlog a week, just show everybody what we do and let everyone know when we're dropping new merch, like we just posted on our Instagram and Facebook. And also, we just wanted to show everybody like how much fun we do have at work, and it's professional. It's a professional business, but we're always trying to have fun. And I just want to shout out my brother Eric and Anthony for helping me create this video. I'll see you guys next Friday. Every Friday we're gonna try to upload. Thank you. And one last thing I gotta tell you guys to do. Subscribe!
Bang-a-ring. Don't copyright me, YouTube.